Welcome to our step-by-step guide on creating a stunning website using Builder.io. Today, we're exploring all its exciting features. First, let's create your account and log in. It's quick and easy. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, you can either choose a stunning template or start from scratch. The choice is yours. Now, let's dive into the powerful drag-and-drop editor. It makes layout design a breeze. Here, you can customize your layout and design to make your site uniquely yours. The options are endless. Next up, adding and managing content. Enhance your site with rich media options for a more engaging experience. Want more functionality? Integrate third-party tools and plugins to supercharge your website. Don't forget to preview and test your website across devices to ensure it's responsive. It's time to share your masterpiece. Hit publish and showcase your stunning website to the world. Lastly, remember to keep your site fresh with ongoing updates and improvements. It keeps your audience engaged